Howdy, cowboys and cowgirls. Stone Crandall here. I am way up north on the map. We're going to go canoeing today. So we're going to take a canoe trip all the way down the Dakota River. We're up here at Bacchus Station. Really far north. And we're going to float this river from just south of Donner Falls. I don't want to go over that. All the way down. We're going to go past Window Rock, Fort Wallace. We'll pass by Valentine, Cumberland Falls. Got to watch out for those. And after Cumberland Falls, I think we're good. Should be good to go. I don't believe there's any other falls. And we're going to end up right here at Bard's Crossing. So we'll take out right about here. But yeah, we're going to float the whole Dakota River. The whole Dakota River. So let's get at it. We're going to go down here and pass right by Bacchus Station. Okay, let's see the trail to get down there. It's not right here. Haven't been up this way in quite a while. Let's see. There's a pretty easy way down to the water right over here. Not that yet. Alright, so I've got to go all the way around this big rock. There we go. Now we're getting to the water. Playing in the Dakota River Bend server for PC. So we have a lot more things we can do in this version of the game versus Red Dead Online. Oh, this is fantastic. Beautiful. Beautiful. Go ahead and collect some water first. I'm almost out. Hear that huge waterfall over there. Wow. What a sight. So much depth. Man, these canyons are huge. Alright, 9 waters, and let me go ahead and fill up. Take a drink. This good clear mountain water. Look at that. Oh, we got a little fish right there. A little guy swimming around. We may do some fishing too, y'all. We'll see. We'll see. Alright. Finished taking a drink now. Now I've got my canoe already in inventory and plenty of food. Fishing rod. Let's go ahead and equip that. Keep that on just in case. I've got several fishing lures. Lake, there's a river. That's what we'll be using. I don't think I have the swamp lure on here. Alright, well, let's send Midnight away. See you at Bard's Crossing, boy. Yeah, I'll see you down there. Alright, y'all, here we go. We're going to hop in. Let me unequip this gun real quick. There we go. Just take that off of me. And deploy. Here we go. How about we do a little first person for some more immersion? Oh man, look at that. Look at that. Alright, here we go, y'all. Heading on down the Dakota River. at that, y'all. What a sight. There's a screenshot right there. That's incredible. What a great screenshot. You're going to see a lot of wildlife on this trip. There's a cave somewhere right up here in these rocks. I found it once. I think it's just up over there. Faster get around this rock. Here's our first little drop. Yeah, nice. Good stuff. Water's cold way up here, y'all. This rickety little bridge doesn't collapse on us. We may see some other people while we're on our float trip. Probably stop and do a bit of fishing. Very nice. Beautiful, beautiful day. It's 56 degrees. A little chill out here, but it's warming up. I was hanging out over at Dave's Shroom Shack while I was waiting on the sun to come up. Had a pretty good rainstorm last night. Oh, there's Window Rock. Yeah, I was just chilling back at the Shroom Shack. Hanging out. It's pretty nice. Pretty nice. Little wicker couch there. Just sitting back. Listening to the rain. Wow, that is a cool view of Window Rock. Whoa. Look at that big boy. Wow. These beautiful wild horses. Running free, doing what they do. And this little tributary comes in here. Let's go check this out. Paddling against the current. It's pretty strong. Pretty strong. Okay. Let's check this out. Might be able to turn around up in here. Or it may just be too narrow. Yeah, it gets pretty narrow. Alright, we'll just back out. We're going to turn this bad boy around. There we go. Nice. A little drop. Some kind of market. Yeah. Nice little roll off there. These wild horses are still running. Whoa, something freaked him out. He stopped real fast there. Oh, better pay attention. Oh, scrubbed a rock. Alright, we're good. We're good. The boat's alright. He's got a tiny little spot right there. Let's check that out. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Let's see. Can we get around this rock? Come on, baby. Oh, I'm stuck. Alright. Come on. Get around this way. Is he gonna make it? Barely, barely. Look at that. Look at that. Alright, let's hop out of here. Nice. Yeah, I think the canoe is about $200. But they hold up well. They really do. They last for a while. See a fish out there. Let's see what we can do. I need to tie on a lure. Let's see. Let's go in here. River lure. Let's tie that on. All right. The fishing mechanic works differently than it does in Red Dead Online. Works a little differently here in the DRB. You can see how slow the lure is dragging in there. Throw it again a little farther. There, holy moly, there's a cast. Reel that in a bit. I see a fish in the water there. Look at that guy. Alright, I'll let it hang out right there for a minute. Let's hit it. So yeah, the fishing's a little harder in DRB than it is in Red Dead Online. It's definitely harder to catch something. He's eagle eye. Can't see the fish. Yeah, there's fish in this water I just saw. In a little more. go ahead and put that up. See what's going on over here. So somebody has a workbench. Do I have anything I can clean up? No, not on me. Waltz fire. Okay, cool. A little stool here. A couple of stools. A sweet spot. Is this fella's shelter? Just a lean-to? Wow. That's rustic. Okay, I hadn't seen that before. That is rustic. This guy's really immersed in nature. For sure. Just a lean-to. That must be a custom type of thing. Never seen that. Custom item. Alright, what time we got? Oh, 3:56. We better scoot. We're gonna get on down this river. We have quite a bit left to go. Alright, let's swing the front of the boat around here. And I'm going to push hard because this current's probably going to take me as soon as I hit it. Oh boy, yep. It slammed into me like a dump truck. Alright, there we go. Now we're good. Ooh, some more whitewater. Oh yeah, this is great. Ooh. Let's look up better. Okay, we're good for the middle. Oh, right there. Oh yeah, nice. Nice. Okay, we have another little drop here. Oh, this is getting a little hairy. Woohoo! Ooh, the water's still cold. Alright. Oh, that's a narrow funnel. Wow. Flatten that out a bit here. Different colors of the rock. It's like some sandstone with maybe some granite mixed in. Oh, avoid that rock. There we go. Looks like we're around about the Cumberland Forest area here. We'll be coming up passing Valentine before too long. Oh, there's another little narrow slip. Nice. Setting sun, those rays are popping through. Oh, we need to make this turn. On that side of the rock, there we go. Oh boy. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, I took a dip. Okay, here's the boat. Let's hop back in. Whew. Shake that off. Yeah, that was fun. Okay. Yeah, that one snuck up on me. That snuck up on me. This is a good section of the river for gold panning, by the way, y'all. Nice. There's some elk whistling in the distance. Pretty shallow through here. Nice little Saturday morning paddle. Hope all of y'all are having a fantastic Saturday. Whatever you're doing, whether you're just out riding your horse, or if you're doing a little hunting, doing a little fishing, might be doing some trading. Maybe you're working at the stables today. Maybe you're looking for that perfect spot to put your camp. There's unlimited places for your campsite. I think Valentine's right over there. Man, this is pretty. Oh. Another fellow outdoorsman. This is his camp set up here. Nice spot. Yeah, buddy. I like your spot, but there's some good fish right in here. Definitely hear those ducks. What's that thing? The river kind of splits right here, doesn't it? Pretty shallow. Nice little camp he's got there. Not coming up a storm, is it? I thought I heard some rumbling. Might just be my belly. Speaking of that, let's go ahead and eat a little something. I believe it is gonna get dark on us. There's something over there, a couple of horses. And we have another little tributary coming in. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Beautiful waterfall. Probably a bunch of gold up that creek too. Rock maybe. Alright, we should be coming up on Cumberland Falls right about now. Yep. Yep, there's the edge of the waterfall. And we don't want to go off that. It would surely die. So we're just going to hop off here. And skirt around these falls. Oh yeah. There's my horse. I hear you. What are you doing in the river, boy? Come on. Good boy. Good boy. You know, I think we better make camp here and just hang out for the night. Because we don't want to be going down the Whitewater River in the dark. Got a nice fire here we can cook. Okay. If I can just lay down on their bedroll. Can I get in here? Uh-oh. Uh-oh, knock the lantern down. Uh-oh, don't start a fire. Oh boy, watch out. I think I can lay on their stuff. No, okay. An awesome spot. I just camp out here and see if I can deploy my bedroll here. Where's it gonna let me put this down? Let's try right here. Put it here. Does that work? I'm a bit upside down. I think I'll adjust that. Alright, I'm going to hang out and rest here. And we'll hop back on the boat at first light. It's daylight now, and let's continue our journey down the river. Neat little spot behind the waterfall there. It has some significance in story mode. Forget what that is, but it does have some significance. Okay, let me see if I can launch here. Cool. All right. Yeah, you would not want to go over that. Canoe would be toast. So bad. So this will take us on past Limpany. There's a couple of markets close by a river crossing. I don't know if this goes under a covered bridge or not. Just after 8 a.m., 54 degrees. Beautiful day for the pack. On over here, fire can be put down. They're using that cave for structure. Okay. This tributary, I think, is runnable. So we may make another trip sometime to do that. Oh no. Looks like there's a huge waterfall up there. Okay, that is not runnable. Oh! Ran aground over here. Pay attention. What is up with that canoe over there? It's like a fishing net. It's a little tight and rocky in here. Ah, there's the covered bridge. Yeah. Nice. Don't see it from this angle too often. Looks like somebody has a camp there in the woods. What's happening right here? Something coming up. To the left of this big rock. Stick with this heading for a minute. What's the best way to go? Well, we're going to the right also. Oh, we're getting rained on. It's okay. Alright, in the water, canoeing, so what's a little rain? Once it doesn't start lightning, right? These horses are here. Scraping the ground right here. Saw fish. Scrub it a little bit back there. We could use a little more rain to fatten up this river. It's mighty dry. Mighty dry with this rain. Turnaround should be to the left, and straight ahead a ways is going to be Limpany on the left. Kind of burnt town, but there's several amenities there now. I believe Gus has an outdoor shop. Cripps has got a little stand out front. Last time I was by, there was a restaurant there. Food's not much to brag about. I'll get you through. Deer over here. Horses aren't too bothered by me. The deer sure was. Yeah, just floating on by, fellas. Oh, can't use my binoculars. I need to just stand up. There we go. There it is. Limpany in my sights, and there's Mr. Cripps as we speak. Okay. I got one feeling parched. Let's do something about that. Ooh, almost got tangled up there. Current take my lure. Oh, a fish jumped right near it. Come on now. Bite it. Bite it. Now you want to. Gently dock on this neat little sandbar here. Come on. Toss it way out there, let it float. Should tighten up. You want to slacken the line. Oh, alright. Try that again. There we go. Okay. Could also try some bread bait. Get a can of worms. These river lures are supposed to be pretty good. I know a fellow down in New Austin that ties it. He's hunted all over and fished all over. And it's just a good all-around outdoorsman. So this lure should be working, but they're just not interested in it. Alright, well, let's push on. There's somebody right from the distance over there. Left in the air. Yep, there's a little lymphony. So I'm just going to take a gander. Still sitting up there. Might be checking his map. I think we're getting close to the end of our journey, y'all. Not much farther. And we'll be going under the giant train trestle. This has been a great trip. Beautiful float down the river, the Dakota River. We're in the Dakota River Bend County. Look at that, there's a wagon delivery. Beautiful Dakota River. We went from pretty far up there in the Grizzlies, Bacchus Station, floated down, a lot of drops in the river. They hit that one waterfall between Cumberland and Valentine. That sent me for a tumble. There's the old trestle. train trestle in the distance. Had a nice camp there at Cumberland Falls. Cooked up a little stew I brought with me. Cooked that up over the fire and just passed out and had a good sleep. It was up about 5:30 in the morning. Had a biscuit and some jam for breakfast, and then I was on my way. As I was mentioning, there is a market around here. I think it's in the middle. Scrubbed up on the sandbar here. There. Oh! Quite a few natives have decided to make camp here. Lots of ducks. They're duck hunters. Alright, if y'all do this float, definitely go on the right side of the river here. It's pretty shallow here on the left. Those teepees. Wow. That's a great shot. Beautiful. Nice spot, fellas. Absolutely gorgeous. Great trip. Thank y'all for coming along on this journey. It was pretty exciting at first with all that white water, and then it just chilled right out. Chilled out into a peaceful little float. Somebody's got a trap over here in the water. Absolutely gorgeous. What time is it, y'all? 6 o'clock, dinner time. Getting out just in time. Look at these views we're left with to finish up our float. How about that? This is definitely the golden hour. Got some fog rolling in, a little bit of a marine layer. Sun's just setting on down there. Oh, water snake. That fella crept right by me. Alright, y'all. Let's just pop over here and hop out of the boat. Got caught up in that beauty. Beautiful scenery we have in this county. Gotta love it. Alright, well y'all, thanks for joining on this float. Had a great time, great adventure, camped for a night. And about 2 full days also to float down the Dakota River. So stay tuned for more. I better drink something before I pass out. And we'll see you cowboys and cowgirls on the next one. Stone Crandall checking out. Like and subscribe.